Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here a circuit was given here having 3 branches. In the first branch 30 volts was connected with 2 kilo ohms, and in the second branch 20 volts source was connected with 5 kilo ohms. In third branch a resistor is there, that is 4 kilo ohms. Now asking that how to find voltage drop across this resistor. So whatever the voltage drop across 4 kilo ohm resistor, so that is the ground voltage. Okay, so here in the first branch the current was flowing from positive side to negative side, that is this direction. Next here in the 20 volts means in the second branch the current was flowing from positive to negative side, that is in this direction. So let this is current is I1, here is I2. So then the current in this branch was going will be I3. So I3 is equal to sum of these two currents or this node, that is I1 plus I2. Now by applying KCL, now we are going to find the voltage drop V0. So let's see here. So first of all find I1. How can you find? So I1 is in the branch 1. So here upper voltage is 30 volts, lower voltage is at ground, that is V0. So it can be written as upper voltage minus lower voltage, that is V0 by the resistor, that is 2 kilo ohms. So across this much current is there, plus I2, that is in this branch. So upper voltage is 20 volts, lower voltage is V0. So that is 20 volts minus V0 upon the resistance is 5 kilo ohms. So across this resistance, that's equal to I3. So I3 is V0 by 4 kilo ohms. So by applying Ohm's law, that is V equal to IR. So from this getting current I is V by R. So here the voltage is by resistance, here also voltage by resistance, nothing but gives current I1 and I2 correspondingly. Now I3 is voltage by resistance. Now we got the equation. Now by simplifying this equation we will get V0 value. So let's see here how to simplify it. First of all take the LCM here, that is 2k into 5k, nothing but 10k square. Now apply cross multiply, it becomes so 5 into 30, it is 150k minus 5k V0 plus next cross multiply with 2k this one, and we will get 2 into 20 40k minus 2k into minus V0, that is minus 2k V0. That's equal to V0 by 4k. So here 1k cancel, 1k is there, so bring k common in the numerator. So here also will be k will be cancel. So it becomes so 150 plus 40 is 12, k is removed. Next minus 5 V0 minus 2 V0 by 10. So here 1k is cancelled from here, another k will be cancelled apart by taking common k value in the numerator. So this is the result. So thus V equal to V0 by 4. So from this we will get 150 plus 40, nothing but 190. So 190 minus 5 V0 minus 2 V0, nothing but minus 7 V0 by 10, and that's equal to V0 by 4. Now cross multiply each. Okay, instead of cross multiply, first of all divide this two terms, then we can easily simplify very easily. So divide 190 by 10, next minus 7 by 10. So from this we can very easily, it is 190 by 10 minus 10, that's equal to V0 by 4. So here 0 cancel, nothing but 19 equal to, so bring this term to the right hand side, it becomes V0 by 4 plus 7 V0 by 10. Now cross multiply, you will get 10 V0 plus 28 V0 by 40. So 19 equal to, this is 38 V0 by 40. Here we want V0 value. So bring this 30 to 40 to the left hand side. So total will becomes V0 equal to 19 into 40 by 38. So 19 ones, 19 twos, 2 ones, 2 20s. So V0 equal to 20 volts. So this is the voltage drop across 4 kilo ohms. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.